Tired of a chain that saps your bike's power and reliability? The right replacement can change everything. The 25H132 Link heavy-duty drive chain is built specifically for mini bikes, pocket bikes, and electric dirt bikes that need toughness and a perfect fit. It's the upgrade that gets you back on the trail with confidence and smooth rides. This isn't just any chain. It's a brand new number 25 chain with 132 links, pre-assembled and ready to go. Crafted from high-strength materials, it resists wear even under hard starts, stops, and heavy use. Delivered clean and lightly lubricated, it's protected for storage and primed to run smoothly from the moment you install it. What makes this chain stand out is its broad compatibility. It fits popular models like the Razor MX500, MX650, and SX500 Dirt Rocket. It also works with many 43cc, 47cc, and 49cc pit bikes, pocket bikes, and mini bikes from trusted Chinese brands like TaoTao, Buyang, Coolsport, Lifan, Kazuma, and SUNL. Plus, it's easy to customize. Just remove links and add a master link to get the perfect length for your bike. Installation is simple, making it ideal for riders who prefer DIY maintenance. Once in place, the chain delivers steady engagement and reliable power transfer, restoring smooth acceleration and consistent performance. Users consistently report it works flawlessly right out of the box and holds up well over time, even with frequent riding. If you're facing a worn-out chain or want a dependable spare, this 25H132 Link drive chain offers durable quality you can trust every day. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free upgrade that keeps your mini bike running strong. Check the product link below to confirm compatibility and availability. Try it when you're ready and keep your ride ready for whatever's next.